Yeah. Hello guys, Wheelie Rider here, and just giving the first look on the P365 Rose Edition that my pretty little lady just bought, and we're just looking through it now. These are currently a touch over $900 and kind of hard to get a hold of on back order as well. The cashiers at Sig, they weren't sure if it'd take a couple months or whatever, and it ended up coming in a week later, so really can't complain, and she's really happy with it, and I can also say it's a pretty good setup. Now with this purchase, you get this beautiful firearm right here. You get 5 dummy rounds to practice loading, and you get 2 mags, 12 round mags with a speed loader for easier loading, and you'll get an online course on like firearm how-to and safety and whatnot. And then of course you get the Voltec digital little lockbox right here. Comes with mechanical keys as well, and that alone is extremely quality. It's watertight. It's a real nice safe. So another reason why Sig collaborated with Lena, who happens to be a 8-time professional championship shooter. She wanted to just develop a gun to help first-time female shooters and have a nice appealing gun for females without it being probably like corny, and this one remains very classy and tasteful. So beyond looks, she gives the starter guide and the 5 dummy rounds to practice loading. There's also a nice little Rose community online with last I knew I had 3,000 plus people that just they're all connected and have the same firearm. And beyond looks, she just really helped develop this gun with recoil in mind. It comes in 9mm or 380 ACP. And those 2 firearms are physically different sizes, and 380s have less recoil.
We got 1 magazine, 2 magazine with a quick loader. Very nice. There we go. Ready to
She
go.
loaded.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Baby.
Oh, baby.
I know it wasn't.
Baby.
What?
Oh man, through the window. Anyways.
And then this. We do here. And ta-da. We got a gun lock and some more reference material. And a very nice box. The Rose Sig insignia. And then you open it like this. And take this. And it goes into. And that's a wrap. Okay, so here we have the P365 Rose XL Sig Sauer gun.
Keep going.
What am I supposed to say? So here we have the optic ready compensated slide. And now you can see the laser engraved rose grip module, which makes it very I don't know.
Appealing.
The personality of the gun. A complete rose on the back and then 2 faces of roses on either side.
A little something on the front.
I don't know what it is. And now you see the pink rose gold accessories. You have the flat trigger, the safety, takedown lever, and also the
Catch
lever. And then the back plate. Ta-da! And now you'll see a comparison between the original P365 9mm to the P365XL 9mm Rose. Too much info.
You spoke way too fast for that one, man. Okay, here it is.
Okay, so here you can see that the slide is a little bit longer on the Rose. You have the front piece, which helps with the recoil to help lessen that. You also have the...
A little height difference with the grip.
A bit of a height difference with the grip. And then also on the back part that you'll see when holding it, it has a bit of a ducktail on the Rose that you don't see with the original P365.
Thanks for watching.